Hello everyone! Today, I am going to show you the best Mido watches of 2024 based on specifications. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and press the bell icon button for my new videos notifications. Number 9. The Multifort Power Reserve. It stands out for its sporty and urban design. With a diameter of 42 millimeters, the Switch watch is equipped with the caliber 80 automatic movement, offering up to 80 hours of autonomy. The power reserve indicator is displayed on the dial. Case material, stainless steel with anthracite PVD coating. Thickness, 13.1 millimeters. Case length, 42 millimeters. Functions, date, power reserve. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Number 8. Mido Multifort Mechanical Skeleton Limited Edition Watch. Case material, titanium. Bracelet material, textile. Case diameter, 44 millimeters. Thickness, 12 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 100 meters. Bezel material, titanium. Crystal, sapphire crystal. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Green Dial Men's Watch. Silver tone stainless steel case and bracelet. Unidirectional rotating green ceramic bezel. Green dial with silver tone hands and dot hour markers. Minute markers around the outer rim. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 42.5 millimeters. Fold over with diving extension clasp. Water resistant at 200 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 6. Mido Multifort Patrimony Chronograph Watch. This exceptional Swiss watch is a tribute to the brand's oldest and most iconic chronograph, the Multi-Chrono from 1937. It has a domed dial placed under a sapphire glass box crystal and is equipped with a tachymeter scale. Automatic movement offers a power reserve of up to 60 hours. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Thickness, 15.2 millimeters. Case length, 42 millimeters. Functions, date, chronograph, small second. Movement, Mido automatic. Water resistance, 50 meters. Number 5. Mido Multifort Chronometer Automatic Blue Dial Men's Watch. Stainless steel case with a stainless steel bracelet. Fixed stainless steel bezel. Blue dial with luminous silver tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type, analog. Automatic movement. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size, 42 millimeters. Case thickness, 11.99 millimeters. Bandwidth, 22 millimeters. Fold-over clasp with a push-button release. Water resistant at 100 meters. Functions, date, day, hour, minute, second, Swiss made. Number 4. The Commander Big Date Swiss Watch. It celebrated the 100th anniversary of the brand in 2018. Its large date aperture at 6 o'clock offers unrivaled date legibility. The Sunrays satin finished dial is extremely pure and protected by an elegant round case in satin finished stainless steel and enhanced by a polished bezel. Case material, stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length, 42 millimeters. Movement, automatic. Water resistance, 50 meters. Number 3. The Baroncelli Tradition Swiss Watch. It honors Mido's watchmaking heritage in its most timeless form. The harmonious lines and subtle curves bestow both a rare sense of elegance and tradition on this classical collection. Fitted with latest generation technology, the automatic movement can be admired through the transparent caseback. Case material: stainless steel with rose gold PVD coating. Case length: 39 millimeters. Lug width: 20 millimeters. Functions: small second. Movement: manual. Water resistance: 30 meters. Number 2. Mido Baroncelli Signature Watch. With the Baroncelli signature, Mido has created a mechanical and aesthetic success that is a perfect expression of its watchmaking know-how. Intensely chic and timeless, this Swiss watch houses an automatic movement. Case material: stainless steel. Case shape: round. Width: 39 millimeters. Case length: 39 millimeters. Movement: automatic. Water resistance: 50 meters. Number 1. Mido Ocean Star Automatic Watch. Silver-toned stainless steel case with a blue fabric strap. Unidirectional rotating blue ceramic bezel. Black dial with silver-tone hands and index hour markers. Dial type: analog. Automatic movement: scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Case size: 44 millimeters. Case thickness: 13.3 millimeters. Bandwidth: 22 millimeters. Water resistant at 200 meters, 660 feet. Functions: date, GMT, second time zone, hour, minute, second. Swiss made.